Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. What's wrong with you? Get out of here. Today's message is entitled, Get Out of Here. This is taken today from Exodus chapter 12, verses 31 to 33. It says this in Exodus 12, 31 to 33, that, here we are. During the night, Pharaoh summoned Moses and Aaron and said, "Up, leave my people, you and your Israelites. Go worship the Lord as you have requested. Take your flocks and your herds as you have said, and go and bless me." The Egyptians urged the people to hurry and leave the country, for otherwise, they said, we will all die. Moses and Aaron had been for quite a while coming to Pharaoh and saying, you need to let us leave. And Pharaoh kept refusing and also kept negotiating, trying to negotiate, and would say, oh, you can leave, but leave your children here, leave your animals here. And Moses was like, no, we're taking everything with us when we go. But Pharaoh wouldn't do it. He was, but finally he here says, go up. He says, leave my people, you and your Israelites, okay? And go and worship the Lord as you have requested. Take your flocks. He's saying, take your flocks and your herds as you have said, and go. All right. So all this now has come to pass. The God had said that Pharaoh will say, get out of here. All right. And that's what's happened here. But Pharaoh goes on and he also says, and bless me. I don't know if Moses actually blessed him. I don't know. It doesn't say whether he did or not. But if you remember at the beginning of this, all these plagues, Moses came to Pharaoh and said, you need to let my people go. The Lord says you need to let my people go. And his response was, I don't know your God, so why should I do anything? Basically, that's my paraphrase. But the reality was he was saying, I don't know your God, and so I'm not going to do anything. Now he's gotten to know God. And these plagues, one of the purposes of the plagues was for Pharaoh to get to know God. And God was going to reveal himself here, and all the judgment, really, coming upon that God was pronouncing upon Pharaoh. So he was getting to know him really well. And here, it's obvious that Pharaoh now knows God very well and is saying, please get out of here. But he's also saying, and bless me. All right. Also, I want you to notice in verse 33 that it says the Egyptians urged the people to hurry and leave the country. And why is that? It says, for otherwise they said, we will all die. They've gotten to the place now with all these plagues that their food supply, if there is any left, it's severely diminished. Okay, not much food left because of all the different plagues that have killed off their food, off their livestock, and off their the stuff that grows. All that stuff is gone, and now people are not. You have the plagues that were kind of annoying, but now this last plague, you actually have people dying. So all the firstborn are to die. They are probably thinking in their mind, okay, great. We're at the 10th plague here. They don't know if there's any more plagues coming, but they're thinking, okay, the firstborn is dead. That's a huge blow to our family here, the whole hierarchy system. What's going to be next? My second-born child? Okay, so they're like, no, we want you to go. Get out of here. And they were saying this earlier on. Pharaoh's officials were saying this way early. And were saying, Egypt is already destroyed. You need to let the people go. Now Pharaoh has come to the point where he is saying, go. Okay? So the whole point here today is this. It might take some time for people to see and understand God, but they eventually will. And then they will come to know, yeah, this is really what God is like. But it might take a lifetime. It might take actually beyond our lifetime, and still when we are judged by God, it might take that long. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.